bloodshed. Well, I'm sitting on my back porch, life finger